I'm doing a core test on an old tar and gravel roof in Montgomery, Alabama, and I just wanted to show how roofers go about figuring out what the roof deck is. There are several types of roof decks in commercial roofing, and it's very important before you give a roof estimate to figure out what your deck is. So we've got this handy tool right here, and it's just used to get a core sample. So I'm going to show you guys how that's done here. We've got several other tools that'll help me in the process, but this is the tool that's going to do most of the work. So here we go. See what we got? All right, this is what's called a core cookie right here. Watch it pop out. Boom. Look at that. So we got some type of insulation right here. It looks like it's about 1/2 inch thick. Let's see what else we got in here. Boom. Boom, look at that. So this is the top layer. It's got, you can see some of the gravel on here, and then the flood coat of asphalt. So we know we've got at least a solid inch, if not a little more, maybe 1.5 to 2 inches, and I'm still not to the roof deck. Let's see what we got going on here. So you have to keep going. And I feel like I'm at some type of hard surface here, which is probably the deck. So this is what it looks like so far. Let's see what we got here. I got all in my face. All right, we're gonna blow it out real quick. This is it. We've got a metal roof deck. That is structural grade steel. That means we can mechanically attach the new roof system. So what I'm going to do now is fill this hole in so it's watertight. This will be a roof that we're replacing. I've already done a few core tests, but I wanted to triple check on a more obscure side of the roof to make sure that the deck was consistent throughout the roof. Sometimes we'll do roof replacements and we'll see different types of roof decks inside one roof. So it's very important to know what your roof deck is so you know how to attach your membrane and insulation. This is Billy Guyette with Guyette Roofing.